Hi! Today we'll be showing you how to add images for each of your SKUs. It's easy! Just head on over to the products page under the inventory module and choose a product. As you can see, we have yet to add images. To do that, scroll back up and here you'll see a couple of tabs. Just choose Images. Double-click Select or you may drag and drop the images you need. Once they're uploaded, just go back by clicking the Product tab. Scroll down to your SKUs and click the image icon. You can now see all the images you've uploaded and you're ready to select. When you're done, just hit the Save button and you now have the updated images of your products. Thank you for watching!